Hey guys, this is Michael over at Extreme Turbo Systems. We're here at TX2K. Over here we got our ETS Chassis Car. This car makes roughly 3,500 wheel horsepower, consists of twin 8685 turbochargers. It's got a B&J transmission in it. Previous best was 564 at 244. We plan on trying to go into the fives again this weekend as long as this weather cleans up. And then over here, this is the ETS-G. It's also powered by twin 8685 turbochargers, makes about 3,000 to 3,500 wheel depending on boost. Previously we ran 654. We plan to best that today if possible. We also did put nitrous on this car for this event, so we're gonna see if we can get that record back. This car has a 250 shot of nitrous on it. Current record right now is 651. Our personal best in this car is 654, so we'd like to go faster than 651. That's the goal of the event.
Hey guys, we're here at TX2K23, Team ETS. My name is Giddy Chamdi. I'll be driving the ETS-G. We're back here after 3 years. We took a break for 3 years when we're actually back here. Wish the weather was a little bit better, but we have a lot of expectation for this trip and event. The car just came back from winning DCT World Class. There's not much changes to the car. The only thing we changed on it is when we went back to a small tire in the rear. We learned a lot by using the big tire, and we want to go really fast. The big tire kept us from going really, really fast. We did great short track with the big tire, but it's better to go with the small. The car's pretty much the same. We're hoping, depending on how the condition, the weather will be, but we're hoping to run, hopefully anything below a 650 will be amazing. A dream will be a 636, but that's really asking for a lot in these conditions, so I don't think or expect that, but it'll be nice if we can. Well, that's about it. We're just excited to be here after 3 years. This is one of the events that we love and wait for the whole year, so we're very excited to have it and be here. And looking forward to a great time, even though it's got shortened by a few days because of the weather. But we have today and tomorrow, and hopefully we can do some great things.
Let's go, buddy! Wow!
Fucking road record right off the truck.
Almost.
Oh my God.
Dude, what a run!
What a run. Oh man. That is just unbelievable.
Attaboy.
Man, off the trailer. Off the trailer.
Woo!
Woo! What a pass. Oh my God.
Hell yeah.
Unbelievable. Off the trailer.
Yeah, no, I haven't seen anything. It's pretty close to what we
That's
were
what I
running.
wanted to know.
Ooh, 436, that's a record 8.
Well, yeah.
All right, so we need motor number 2, the one that's on the short dollies. We're gonna need cherry picker turbo rack. The fluids are in the crate when you break it open. And then we're gonna have to be prepared to clean the filters. So we'll want like the case of brake clean, drain pans, all that. And then we gotta get on quick jacks. All right, thanks,
Get it
man.
done.
up here. You might as well come check it out.
Just come look at this.
Just come check it out.
We got some new aero mods.
Oh!
Oh, shit! Well, we can pop that out. So basically, we ran a fast pass. This motor's always had some kind of valve train noise. We could tell after the burnout on the line that the motor wasn't that happy. It was idling really low and pretty rough. So at that point, you have no choice but to just send it and make, hope that you get a good qualifier. So obviously we didn't notify the driver or anything, just try to send it down there. And I'm guessing by the time slip, we lost some engine power after the 8th mile, because we ran a really fast 8th mile, but then didn't quite get the record pass on that first one. So we ended up doing something valve train related and ended up kicking something through the timing cover here. More than likely it's a broken chain or a broken sprocket or something like that. The valve train life of these is not that high when you're running like 10,000 RPM. So
right.
What we're going to do is swap it out. We got 2 spare motors. This is pretty much the life of 6-second GTR racing. Is you're lucky if you get 10 really fast passes, and we're prepared to just swap it out and keep going.
What sort of time frame are we looking at on the swap?
First time doing it at the track, maybe 4 hours.
4 hours?
Yeah, we'll see. Start the clock.
I don't know who that is, but it feels very good.
I'm trying to pick him up.
Have you shown him the video?
That's a real GTR right there. I'm not quite sure about this.
It's the same car as me, except for the motor. I just have a little bit more horsepower. That's the only difference in these two cars. I'm here.
What the hell?
You got to get a picture of this.
I can't reach the steering wheel. What in God's name is this?
You can't even. Hey, the good thing about this is I trust Giddy enough. If I ever needed a time in this car, I could put some phone books in that son of a bitch and he can run it.
We're in burnout mode. Are you feel good, Brian? You feel good about that? About the wheelie bar?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right, we'll come back around to this side. I'll kind of go
Here, there are way too many people out there to get these sides. The fastest pass ever at TX2K. Wow! TS.
JR, man, what's going on, dude? Always a pleasure, buddy. Always happy, man. Always happy. Good. Number thing I love about JR Ferrea is that he's always happy. He's always having a good time. He's always a great sportsman. Here's to JR.
All right, I'll take it.
Well, I feel good. I mean, I wanted a little more than that. I mean, I'll take it, but it had a sputter on the top end. I think we may have had the clutch too light, so we'll just get the log out and see what it does. The car's ran a 5 before, so I always want to run another 5-second pass. I mean, that's what I want. So anything short of that, I guess, is I'm not happy with it. But
is it any consolation that you're the fastest pass ever at TX2K?
Oh, it feels good right now, but there's other cars that are capable of being faster, including this one. So no, what I really want is to put down a 5 for the people.
Oh yeah.
I've done it once. I'd like to do it again, but we'll see what happens.
We got her buttoned up. We're gonna go try to make a Q2. So 3 or 4 of us have been working hard last, what, 6-7 hours now to get this engine changed over, and we're ready to head back up there and give it all we got. We're gonna hit it with everything we have and see how it shakes out.
So you guys didn't run nitrous last time. Are you guys running nitrous this time?
No, but we went really fast at like a moderate power level, so we're gonna just try to utilize the full potential of the kit now and see if we can, you know, maybe get that record done without spraying.
That's good. Wow.
Damn. At least Kitty's consistent. 659 backed up with a 664. 222 miles an hour.
Well,
That's not supposed to be like that.
Yeah, but if it's not fast enough, we want the record.
Well, we just backed up our 658 run, or yeah, 658 I think it was, and we didn't go faster, just had too much hopping on the line. 60 was a little worse. Brand new motor. We ended up having a little cosmetic damage here. Lost a piece of the bumper down around the 1,000-foot mark. Trapped 222, so we're definitely making more power. We just got to figure out why we didn't get that short track that we had earlier today. So we'll look at some logs overnight and we'll come back tomorrow and keep working.